Hey guys, KK6BYZ. With a review. You can't see it. Sorry about that, I don't like my camera at all. But this is the Leatherman Wingman. And what this is, well, I mean, it's a Leatherman, obviously. I scored this on eBay for $19.95. The cheapest I've seen them on Amazon is about $38. I know they go for cheaper, but that's the cheapest that I've seen them. So the tool's in really good shape. It's got the belt clip. Everything's intact. You got the knife on the outside, half serrated, half plain edge. And the cool thing about the Wingman is that the scissors are on the outside. And they are a decent pair of scissors. They got a liner lock on them, just like the knife. Open it up, pliers, needle nose with the grips and cutters. They are spring loaded, which I'm not a big fan of. But when it's open on the right hand side, if you're looking at where the knife is, you have, I believe this is an awl, I might be wrong, but I'm not sure what that is. It might be an awl, but you can't really see it. So, this is the piece that the listing said was broken off. But in the picture it also showed a completely broken off combination file and ruler. I know you can't see the ruler. Now that I actually kind of look at it a little better, it does look like the tip's a little broken off, but it doesn't look like the whole thing's broken like in the picture online. Next up is the combination can and bottle opener. Then on this side, where the scissors come out, you have a Phillips head bit, or Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead. And one thing that's neat about this Phillips is it is quite long. But you could also, if you had to, fold the tool like that to get a little more length. Otherwise, I think you'd do just fine like that. So that is the Leatherman Wingman. We'll put that up next to my Charge TI April 2004 edition. With the 154 cm steel on the knife, on the plain edge. Not sure what the steel on this knife is, but it looks like it's pretty decent. Now you can see that they are the Charge is quite a bit longer. They are thicker. And the Charge has more tools. You got the serrated with rescue hook, gut hook, whatever you'd like to call it, saw blade, plain edge, and diamond file. The pocket clip on the Charge comes off. Sorry. The inside you got wire cutter, crimper, and needle nose pliers. You have one screwdriver socket here for removable bits, and a combination can bottle opener that I can't really get out right now. Then you have the jeweler's screwdriver, and another socket. So those are the two of my Leathermans. Then I have the full 42-bit kit, but I only carry one slide. And then here's the other one. here is my Leatherman PST. No tools on the outside. Just needle nose pliers with wire cutter. Diamond file. Combination can bottle opener. Small flathead and Phillips. Half serrated, half not serrated knife blade. Large flathead, medium flathead, and a pair of scissors. Which I think the Wingman definitely has better scissors. Now, besides that, I've just got a small micro, which I'm sure you all know, scissors instead of pliers, knife. Then there's a file for like your nails and a pick. Then there is flathead. On this side there's a small flathead with a bottle opener, tweezers, and a 2-degree Phillips, or a half a Phillips screwdriver. And I have another micro, same thing, but the tweezers are visible from the outside, which is kind of cool, and the tip of the knife broke off. So those are all of my Leatherman tools. The 2 micros, the PST2, the Charge TI, and the new to the collection Wingman. So this has been KK6BYZ. Thanks for watching this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Check out my other videos. And yeah, just thanks for watching. Be prepared. Prep. That's all I can say. So thanks for watching. KK6BYZ 73, and have a good day.